Using Photoshop without using mask is a big mistake. That is one of the things that makes Photoshop different from other software like Lightroom, where you can create masks but not as precisely as in Photoshop. So if you like details in your edit, Photoshop is for you. And today I'm going to make mask easy to understand. So in the previous video, we talked about the layers, but what goes with the layers inside of Photoshop? This is a mask. So what is a mask? So here I've created a new layer, and you can see if I click on this rectangle where there is a circle inside, I am creating a mask, and it's creating another rectangle next to the layer. And you can see here it's all white. The thing with layers is that there is two colors, there is black and white. If the color is completely black, that means everything that is on the layer is hidden, like it's not going to show. And everything that is white is going to be, we are going to be able to see it. So to show you that more practically, I am going to paint all in red like this, and you can see here my layer is completely white, so we can see all the red. And if I invert my mask, so it's Command I on your keyboard, now my mask is completely black and I can't see any red. Now the thing that you can do is that if you take a brush with a white color, for example, and you brush a specific area on your photo, so here let's brush this part here, then I am going to be able to select one specific area of my image thanks to the masks to show the effect that I created. So here's not really an effect, that's just me who brushed some red colors, but you can see that then with the selection tools, so here I'm going to maybe select something on my image. So let's say I want to select all the buildings. Then I choose a brush and I'm going to brush all the buildings like this. And you can see everything that is white is showing. Here, if I click on my mask option click, I can see only what's going on the mask. And I could even perfect it if I wanted only the buildings and not the roads. So by brushing some black, I am perfecting my masks. Okay, so this is how masks work. So what's really important to understand is that black, it's hidden, white is going to show on your photo. So here I created this with just a layer where I brush red, but this is the same with the adjustment layer. So let's choose maybe some color balance, do some adjustments. Okay, something like this. And then I want this effect to appear only on the street. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to do Command I, so it's not showing anywhere. And then I am going to brush only where I want it to appear. So in my case, I want it to appear on the street only. I'm gonna try to do something not too bad. If you want this to be perfect, I would recommend to do a selection maybe with the pen tool. So at least you are sure that your selection is really good. Here for demonstration purpose, I'm not doing it because that would be too long. But so you see how it works. Okay, you can see before and after, and my adjustment is showing only on the street, and you can do that with all the adjustment layers. So if on top of that I wanted to add a curve to emphasize the yellow tones of this building here, okay, I could just do that, and then I'm going to select this building here only. Okay, And then I am brushing white. Then to deselect is Command D, and you can see before and after, before and after. And if it's not perfect, you can always brush black. So here I've been brushing this part of the wall, this green wall. I don't want to affect this one. Okay. And you can see with those 2 layers only, and thanks to the mask, I'm able to do adjustments that are really local, so work locally, and that's how you will be able to do in-depth adjustments using Photoshop. Here I've been doing like quick selection, but what is great with Photoshop is that you can actually make very advanced selection with the different selection tool, especially the pen tool. So it can be really precise, which you can't really do inside of Lightroom, because the tools in Lightroom with the masking tools, you can't be really precise. So sometimes it can be a bit difficult when you have an area that is really important to be precise for. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you are interested to learn more about the selection tools, but this is how it works for the mask inside of Photoshop. In my previous video, I talked about the layers. Don't hesitate to have a look at this video as well. And yeah, hope you learned something today, and see you in the next video.